Hello and welcome to today's video. If you have ever wanted to create your own YouTube channel, you have probably been put off by the technical challenges of creating a video. Questions like, where do I get videos and images? Where do I get music from? How do I record my own voice? Do I have to be on camera? How do I even put it all together? Yes, we feel your pain. The good news is there is a solution to all of these questions that are stopping you. Keep watching to see how easy this really is to make happen.
Welcome to Vidnami. Vidnami makes it easy to create attention-grabbing videos for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. To get started, simply drop in a script or a blog post. Vidnami uses artificial intelligence to analyze your text and transforms it into an eye-catching video. Customize your video with millions of images and videos from Storyblocks. You can record your voice, use the built-in text-to-speech, or upload a voice track. Select music from a library of 30,000 songs. And just like that, your video is ready to share with the world. Vidnami comes with hundreds of templates to choose from. We make it easy to add your logo, choose colors, select fonts, and insert your own media to make the video unique. Plus, you can easily transform the size of your videos for different social platforms. So what are you waiting for? Try Vidnami today.
As you can see, these videos are extremely easy and fast to create without any technical skills. You can get a 14-day free trial of this incredible software. Just click the first link in the description, where you can test drive this awesome software for free. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for future updates.